In a small laboratory, a scientific experiment designed to bridge the gap between human consciousness and digital reality went horribly wrong. A group of volunteers from diverse countries found themselves unexpectedly trapped within an uncharted digital realm where they could not communicate with the real world. The experiment, intended to unite minds across borders, had instead left them isolated and helpless. Bound by this sudden fate, you must now navigate this strange place together despite your cultural differences, to uncover the truth behind the experiment gone awry and escape this virtual prison.